Hey guys, welcome back to the second part of Locomotive 115 game. So let's continue, shall we? Okay, let's I need the picture of the lion and seem to dress wheels moving in there. Can you just show it on the side of the channel? Man, what a thing. There's no pictures on the coaches. Huh? You need to reload it, player. What is those things that you have to use him for? I don't get it. Why those things is useful? Sweet tracks! I want. Ah! What the? The train is moving on the wrong pattern! Spots moving over the wheels? Steam out! Oh man! More steam out! To switch tracks. I guess they need to show those things and all music because the wedding so stay out between stars. Another one. Ah! Another car! Oh no! Another creature? I'm talking about seriously? I need to reload it soon. I didn't see about the other thing. I can switch all up after everything. Where's my door? Strange. Wait. Guys, I guess they captured where the Winnie Bunny was surely because I guess they played the initially on the switching tracks because about that. He didn't know about that, so I guess I'm gonna to keep watching in the tour part, okay? So please subscribe, give me a like, and comment on this video. I guess I'll need to find the crimes again. Well, I'll see you again in the third part, the second part of Locomotive 115. So, goodbye. What up?